Hey everybody, tonight we're gonna make pizza with smoked Italian elk sausage. We have our dough laid out here. It's just a simple recipe with flour, water, sugar, salt, and yeast. I have my homemade pizza sauce. It's the same stuff we used for spaghetti. Next, we're gonna put down a provolone mozzarella cheese mixture. Now I have smoked Italian elk sausage. This is the sausage I made with my High Mountain Seasonings kit a few months ago. This is already cooked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and slice it up in pepperoni size slices. Now I'm going to sprinkle on the High Mountain Italian herb seasoning. This stuff is great. It has basil, oregano, thyme, and all the Italian spices that's just going to make that pizza pop. And a little bit of garlic powder. Finally, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of red onion on top because I really like red onion. And into the 450-degree patio pizza oven. Oh man! Let's give it a try. Look at that crust. The first thing I noticed when I bit in was that crunchy red onion. Then of course what hits you is that homemade pizza flavor from the stone in the patio oven. It tastes like a pizza that you'd get in a gourmet pizza shop. And again, you saw me making this on one of my videos about 3 months ago. High Mountain Seasonings Italian sausage. I smoked this up in the smoker and it is outstanding. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, please do so. Give me a thumbs up or leave an encouraging comment. And until next time, this is the Rocky Mountain Meat Hunter saying praise the Lord and pass the pizza.